Hey guys, Anthony here with Spank Weasel Productions and Hyrulean Herald, because this same video will be posted on both websites. I was going to go live on my Facebook page, but my other admin is live right now, so here's a recorded video. But guess what I'm doing, guys? Something I haven't done in a very long time. One, I'm filming in this room, which is a big, awesome comeback. And also, today's the day I got Starlink Battle for Atlas. It's got, see if I can get better lighting, hold on. Alright. So you can clearly see, it's got the R-Wing, Fox McCloud, another pilot, and 2 upgrades. And a game and a controller. So, with that in mind, let's get right to unboxing this. And I don't know how exactly I'm going to do this. Alright, so. Okay, so immediately there's a little tab here. So, let's see if I can. And of course there's tape. No worries, I came prepared. Okay. One obstacle out of the way. Alright. Already it comes in a unique way of holding box. I mean, look at that. And this is made by Ubisoft. This isn't necessarily Nintendo. This is just a partnership with Nintendo. Alright, and immediately we have the game Starlink Battle for Atlas for the Nintendo Switch. And it comes with some instructions, like says here. Gosh, this is gonna be a big download, possibly, guys. Says here, internet broadband required. Micro SD card may be required. Oh, I hope I can play this game. If not, there's going to be a major rant coming in another separate video. So let's pray it doesn't come to that. Okay, yep, it says here the game requires download of at least 4 gigabytes. Micro SD card is recommended. Well, the good thing is I don't have that many games on my Switch, so I should be able to have enough. Keyword should. But yep, here's the game right here. Even comes with a little instruction, and here's something interesting. Most Nintendo Switch games has a little design in it. This one, since it's not a Nintendo Switch game, it does not. So that's pretty interesting right there. So I got the game. Alright, let's continue to pull this bad boy out. Oh wow, and there's more. This appears to be a poster. Holy crap, what a big ass poster it is. Wow. And on the back, it talks about all the ships and pilots you can acquire and all the upgrades that you can get. I'm not going to go crazy like I did with Disney Infinity. I mostly just want a Star Fox. And since they have yet to release Star Fox on the Switch system, aka Star Fox Zero, listen to me, Nintendo. We want that game. Starlink Battle for Atlas, sadly, is the closest thing I have to a Star Fox game on Nintendo Switch. Speaking of which, here they are. So let's begin with this. This is the first weapon attachment right here. These little missiles. And it appears that this is a frost. I don't know how we can see that. Frost right here. That little emblem represents frost. So there's a frost-based weapon. Then next we have another weapon. And here's the symbol for this one as well. Don't know what... I have to look at, see what this symbol means. Where's the... Ah, here it is. Heat blast. Okay, so you get a frost weapon and a heat weapon for your starship. And here is the first pilot. This is the main character of the game. If you did not buy the Nintendo Switch version, you would get his ship, but I do believe the ship is already downloaded or will be downloaded on the game itself. But here he is. This is the main character. And it's basically made out of standard plastic. So here's this guy here. And now the guy I was looking forward to the most. Fox McCloud. Here he is. Again, I apologize for the lighting. Maybe this will help. Hold on. Okay. I don't know how much lighting this shows. That's a tad bit better. Yep. See yep, there's the frost symbol for the missiles. And here's the heat wave symbol right here. And here's a better look at this figure here. And here's a better look at Fox McCloud. Not bad for a paint job for a little figure. Now, I did notice a flaw when I tried to take this guy out. Look how he's very flimsy, so if you use him, you have to be very, very careful. Since I have better lighting now, it's cloudy outside, so that's why it's cloudy and rainy. Perfect day to play this game, but see, there's that. So then here's the better look at the game. Yeah. Okay, better lighting, better lighting. And now the main attraction. Fox McCloud's R-Wing, but I truly look forward to. Oh wow, check this out. And check this out. The cockpit is transparent. See that? And the wing tips, like here he is on the, I guess, and this is the on the ground moment, but check this out. I can move that up, move that up, move this up, and move this up. Check that out. Wow. And do these come apart? Yes, they do. They do. So you can have the main cockpit and you can attach any other wings. Sadly, I don't have another starship, but see, you can easily attach it. and unattach it. And supposedly this is how you attach the upgrades. Sorry, okay, see, here's the upgrades for Fox McCloud. Or, you know, if you come across an enemy that's like weakness to heat, frost, or weakness to heat, there you go. Which I've heard of rumors that the R-Wing, it's great by itself. So here's the R-Wing. And last but not least, we have the base. And this is the base right here. It's very, very similar to the Joy-Con grips. So, alrighty. So, with that in mind, here are my Joy-Cons. So, I guess it works like this. You slide this into here. Yep. Alright, and there you go. That's how you slide it in. It's basically just like the Joy-Con grips, and if you want to release it, you just simply... Alright, and it's easy to pull out. That's nice. Okay, so let's see how this works. So, I think I slide Fox McCloud onto here. Alright, you heard a clicking noise. And I think if you want to slide them out... Okay, yes. Alright, see this little... See that little indent there? If you want to check out a different pilot, just pull them out and replace it with your other pilot that you want to play as. And again, from the bottom you got to pull outwards. Okay, so we got Fox McCloud set to go. Now let's see how the ship folds in. Okay, so as you see, here's this little indent. See this little cutout here? You simply have to put that on here and until he fits nicely in there. And gosh, oh wow. I don't know how we can see that, guys. But you can kind of almost, well, too much glare. But you can kind of see him inside of it, and that's pretty freaking cool. I don't know how well that sews up, but you can see Fox McCloud inside there in person. Alrighty, so there you have it. Everything's all set for Starlink Battle for Atlas. I'll be busy with that tonight. Now it's supposed to be something digital, like a digital ship, but I have not seen anything yet. Let's look around for it. Unless it's in the poster, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, the Zenith is what what you get if you buy the standard edition. The one that isn't on the Switch. Okay, nothing there. And these are your standard directions. Well, I think that's it, guys. I guess that includes my unboxing. I don't know if I already have this digitally downloaded, but I'll definitely include this in my first impressions video, which I will make tomorrow. So Take care. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.